Please, come on. Come on. One more tick. One more tick, please. They always do this. They always try to Jew me. Here's the pre-market bias for Monday, March 16th. As you see here, we are pretty bullish. So all I'm going to wait for today is I'd like to see these highs up here get hit, or I'd like to see us resweep down here and then continue higher. Kind of tempted to reduce risk. All right, let's break even for sure. It's 1000% break even. It's please, come on, one more tick, please. They always do this. They always try to Jew me. I need to stop there. I don't need a limit. I need to stop. Come on, one more. There we go. All right, that's 3. All right, we have 2 left. All right. Well, that is our final con. Could we have held? Maybe. Maybe we could have gone higher, but this is like max potential at like 1 to 2. But could we kept it here? Maybe. Could we maybe gotten more out of it? But how much juice are we really going to get out of it? Okay. So you see, we're up on the day. So why did I take this trade? So what do we have? We have an SMT divergence, which is one of my confluences that I like to use. Doesn't complete the setup, but it definitely helps. SMT in this fair value gap, as you can see here, if I go to the 15 minutes right here, you can see we have a couple of fair value gaps right here. There's one, the big one is right under here. So what do we have? We have a sweep. We're already super bullish, so it's just a continuation essentially to the highs. So what do we have? Literally right at market open, we have a sweep of that I was looking for. Instantly, the wick, the body closed literally back inside of these candles. Next one, we literally go changing the state to the upside. I don't quite enter on the next one. I wait for one more. We kind of do the same thing. We kind of break above. I enter. I put my stop. I gave myself a wide stop here because it was market open, and market open is usually volatile. And then we kind of went up, but then we created a bearish SMT over here. I'll mark it out on the chart so you guys can see right here with these highs. And once I saw NQ run these highs, I thought maybe we might need to displace lower or we get an SMT. But funny enough, it was actually NQ that went lower and made a bullish SMT. So what I did is I reduced risk to like not even that much, like 50 bucks or something. So I reduced risk, and then we almost got stopped out but didn't, and then we continued. We bull ran higher to these highs. I kind of exited a little bit here at the 1-to-1. Boom, exited a decent amount here. Held again. We got up here. I exited another one up here, and then we kind of went down here, and I exited my final one right there. Could I have held for an extra whatever? I could have, but regardless, I'm still basically one trade away from passing, so it didn't really matter. But overall, it was good. It was kind of what I wanted to get. The 1.6 RR is what I wanted to get, so yeah. All right, here are the TradeZilla stats. As you can see, pretty good. $500 win on the day. You know, not 1 to 2 RR, but you know, 1.6 RR, we'll take it. That's pretty good for a continuation trade. Yeah, we would have gone higher had we not better stop lower, but that's okay. That's the risk that I took. I'm okay with that. So yeah, see you all tomorrow.